Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello dear students, and welcome to CET JEE classes of permutations and combinations. Let us start new kind of questions today. Okay, these questions are based on arrangement of letters alphabetically, arrangement of words alphabetically. All right, so you have to have different arrangements of these letters and make different words, and those words must be arranged alphabetically as in a dictionary. All right, now what we need to find here is if all the permutations of the letters of the word again are arranged in order, okay, as in a dictionary. In a dictionary, how the words are arranged? Alphabetically. All right, what is the 49th word? So which is the 49th word is what we need to find here. So first, let us list the letters alphabetically. So what are the letters you see? First, you have A, and then there is again A, and then you have G, then I, and then N. So these are the different letters. You have totally 5 letters. Out of those, 2 letters are repeated. All right. Now, which word will be first? The word A-G-I-N. So this word itself will be the first word, correct? And the next word, you just have to rearrange this. Fix A in the first place. All the letters starting with A should be listed first, correct? So let us list the words starting with the A. So how many words do you have starting with A? Fix A in the first place, then arrange 4 words, okay, in 4 places. So how many ways you can arrange? 4p, 4 ways, 4 letters in 4 places, right? So that is 4p4, 4 factorial, which is 24. So there are 24 words starting with A. Now next, if you shift this, that is again starting with A itself. So forget with that. Now letters, I mean words beginning or starting with G. So words starting with the G. Okay. Now how many words will begin with G? You have to fix G in the first place. All right. So if you fix G in the first place, how many words are left? You have A, I, and then N, correct? So there are 4 letters to be arranged, but in those 4 letters, 2 letters are repeated. So you have to use the formula NPR divided by P1 factorial, P2 factorial, so on, PK factorial, right? So repeated letters, repeated objects, when you have to use that formula now. Totally 4 have to be arranged. So that is 4 factorial divided by how many are repeated? 2 letters are repeated, so divided by 2 factorial. So 4 factorial is 24 divided by 2 into 1, 2, that is 12. Alright, so there are 12 words starting with G. Next, what is the next alphabet? So how many words are done? 36. So we need 49th word. Okay, now understand. Next, starting with the I. So let us write words starting with the I. So how many words are there starting with I? So you have to fix I now, and you have to arrange A, G, and N. So this is fixed. Only one way you can do that. How many ways you can arrange this? Once again 4 factorial by 2 factorial, because 2 A's are repeated. So that will be again 4 factorial by 2 factorial, which is again 12. Now totally how many words are done? 24 plus 24, 48, right? Yes. Now next letter will be 49th word. Next word will be 49th word. So totally 48 words are done. So the word that you will write next will be the 49th word, and what that word will be. See, after I comes N, right? So next word will begin with N, right? And what will be the next alphabet? N is fixed in the first place. Now how many more have to be arranged? A and G and I. Right, so these 4 letters have to be arranged. Now do you pick G here? No, before G comes A, so you have to put A here, next word. And in the next place, which word do you put? Do you put G? No, there is one more A. Alright, so we have to write the next alphabets alphabetically only, next letters alphabetically. So now after A, what comes next? G, right? So we have to fix G here. And finally what do you have? I. So this is the word which is the 49th word. Alright. What will be the 50th word? 50th word would be, G, first N, A, G can be there and N can be here. Alright, so that will be N, A, I, G will be 50th word. So likewise you have to have different arrangements. So after 48, the words beginning with N will follow. That's the end. Correct? Alright, and you cannot repeat N because there is only one alphabet, that is N. You can't repeat that alphabet. You have to use only these 5 letters and make different words. Anyway, so we got the 49th word, and that is N, A, G, I, which is option B, and that's the right answer for this question. Alright, now let's move on to the second problem, which is similar to this. We have to find the rank of the word. So what is the rank of this word? 49. Similarly, you can find the rank of this word also. Alright, you can find. So this word begins with A. Okay, A, G, I, N. This is the first word. That's the first word in the same alphabetical order. Alright, so if you just bring this N here and I there, that will be the second word. Similarly, you can rearrange. Okay, so there are totally 24 words starting with A. Okay, you can rearrange this A then. Okay, similarly you can do all those alterations. Well, let's move on to the second problem.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.